In episode 1, I showed you what Microsoft Intune is. I showed you why it exists. I showed you why it's replacing group policy as standard for device management. But I ended that episode with a promise, and today I am delivering it. By the time you finish watching this video, you will have your own working Intune environment, ready to use, ready to build in, and it will cost you nothing. Now, before we dive in, I need to address something important. Some of you may have already tried the Microsoft 365 developer program and hit a wall. Maybe the sign up failed, maybe it told you it's not available in your region, or you don't currently qualify for a Microsoft 365 developer program sandbox subscription. I'm going to show you the correct method, the one that works perfectly for me, takes about 20 minutes and gets you full Intune tenant completely free. Welcome back to CSYOGI. I'm your host. This is episode 2 of Microsoft Intune series. Let's build your lab. Let me be completely straight with you about this because I have seen too many viewers in the comments waste an hour trying to make a Microsoft 365 developer program work, and it simply does not. The Microsoft 365 developer program, which gives you a free E5 sandbox with everything included, is not available to some accounts. When you try to sign up with your Microsoft account, the sign up either fails silently or it creates an account that never activates properly. Some people on the internet suggest using a VPN to get around this. I'm not going to recommend that. It violates Microsoft terms of service. Your tenant could be suspended and you would lose all your lab work. Not worth it. So here is what we use instead. The Microsoft Intune 30-day free trial. Go to aka.ms slash Intune trial. This works perfectly for me. It requires a credit or debit card for identity verification. The one limitation compared to developer program is that this trial gives you Intune Plan 1 only. It does not include Entra ID EP2 or Microsoft Defender, but Plan 1 covers every single lab from episode 3 through episode 16. When we reach episode 17, conditional access, I will show you exactly how to add Entra ID EP2 for free using the Azure trial, so you are fully covered. Open your browser and go to aka.ms slash Intune trial. I will put the link in the description below so you can click it directly. You will see the Microsoft Intune Plan 1 trial page. Click the button that says try for free. You will be asked to sign in. Use your personal Microsoft account here, an outlook.com, Hotmail, or any other account. Do not use your company or school account. You need to create a completely separate personal tenant for this lab environment. If you do not have a personal Microsoft account, you can create one for free at account.microsoft.com. Takes 2 minutes. Now fill in the company information form. For your business name, I will put CSYOGI. Use whatever you like. Microsoft may ask you to verify your phone number here. Enter your mobile number. This is just for verification. They may send SMS one-time password. Now create your admin username. You will choose a name for your tenant domain, something like admin on your own name, or you can use your own name. Your admin account will be admin at csyogi dot on microsoft.com or whatever domain name you choose. Write this down. This is the master admin account for your entire Intune environment. Create a strong password. And now the payment screen. This is the step that trips people up. Let me address this clearly. Microsoft requires a payment method here to verify your identity. They are not charging you. In most cases, you will see a temporary hold on 1 or 2 rupees on your statement. This reverses automatically within 24 hours. As long as you cancel this trial before 30 days, there is no charge whatsoever. Click start your free trial. Microsoft is now provisioning your tenant. This will take 2 to 5 minutes. You must set a reminder in your calendar for day 28. not day 30, day 28, because if you forget to cancel and day 30 passes, Microsoft will charge the card. Go to admin.microsoft.com, then billing, and then subscriptions, and cancel there. I will show you the extension option in a moment so you do not have to cancel at all. Your tenant is ready. Let us log in. Open a new tab and go to intune.microsoft.com. Sign in with your admin account. You will be prompted to set up a multi-factor authentication. I already set up this, and here you can see I need to put the code on my phone, and there it is. The Microsoft Intune Admin Center you are in. Take a moment to appreciate this. You have a working enterprise device management platform running in the cloud completely free in about 20 minutes. Now, before we look around, there is one critical verification we must do first: the MDM authority. If this is not configured correctly, no device will ever enroll into your tenant, and you will spend hours wondering why. Click the tenant administration in the left navigation, then tenant status. Look for the field called MDM authority. It should say Microsoft Intune. For the Intune trial, this should be already be set up correctly, but always verify. If it shows anything other than Microsoft Intune, if it is blank or say configuration manager, click configure MDM authority, select Microsoft Intune and save. Do this before any other step. Let me give you a proper tour of this admin center. From episode 3 onwards, we will be working in here constantly. So I want you to completely comfortable with the layout. Home. Your dashboard at a glance, device compliance percentage, enrollment status, any service health alert, and quick action shortcuts. Right now, it's mostly empty because we have no enrolled device yet. Devices, the heart of Intune. Every enrolled devices appear here. You can filter by platform: Windows, iOS, Android, macOS, Linux. Check compliance status, see the last sync time, and take remote actions like sync, restart, remote lock, or wipe. Currently showing 0 devices. We fixed that in episode 3. Apps. Deploy and manage application across all your platforms. This is where we will deploy Microsoft 365 apps, Win32 packages, store apps, and configure apps protection policy. Episode 7 is dedicated entirely to this section. Endpoint security. Security baseline, antivirus policies, firewall rules, attack surface reduction, and Microsoft Defender integration. This section becomes very important in phase 3 of this series. Reports. Your visibility and accountability dashboard, compliance reports, app installation status, endpoint analytics for device health and performance. When your manager asks for a device security report, this is where you build it. Users. Your Entra ID users synchronized into Intune. For each users, you can see which device they have enrolled, which app are assigned to them, and their overall compliance state. Very useful for both administrator and help desk troubleshooting. Tenant administration. Connector setup, RBAC roles, audit logs, and importantly, the MDM authority we just verified. When we connect Apple Business Manager in episode 11 or Google Play in episode 12, those connectors live here. And after troubleshooting, my personal favorite section for lab and learning, you search for a specific user and it shows you every policy assigned to that user, every app deployment, every enrollment error. When something is not working in lab, this is the first place to look. Now let us create the 3 test users we will use in every single lab throughout this series. Using consistent test accounts makes every lab predictable and easy to follow along. Open a new tab and go to entra.microsoft.com. The Microsoft Entra Admin Center, sign in with the same admin account. Click Users in the left navigation, then New User, then Create New User. For the first user, display name should be test user 1, test user 1 at your tenant name. Uncheck the auto generate password and set a password you will remember for all three users, something like Intune at test 2026. Scroll down and click review plus create and then create. Perfect. Repeat this process for test user 2 and test user 3. I will do those off screen. Now assign license. This is essential. Without a license, these users cannot enroll device or use app protection policies. Click on test user 1, click licenses, click assignments. You should see Microsoft Intune Plan 1 in the list. Tick the checkbox and click save. Repeat for test user 2 and test user 3. Once done, those users will appear in the Intune user section within a few minutes. Your Intune Plan 1 trial license does not include Entra IDP2. That means conditional access features in episode 17 will require an extra step. I will walk you through adding the free Entra IDP2 trial at that point. From now, everything through episode 16 works perfectly with what you have. Before we do the lab verification, I want to give you 4 ways to keep this tenant alive beyond 30 days because you are going to need it for the entire series. Method 1, Microsoft 365 Business Premium Trial. When your Intune trial is about to expire, go to admin.microsoft.com, click Purchase Services, find Microsoft 365 Business Premium, and start the free trial. That gives you another 30 days and adds Entra IDP1. Method 2, Azure Free Trial. Go to azure.microsoft.com/free and start the free trial. You get $200 in credit for 30 days and 12 months for free services. Link your existing Intune tenant to this Azure subscription. This also gives you Entra IDP2, which you will need for episode 17. Method 3, Entra IDP2 free trial. Go to entra.microsoft.com, click licenses, then try or buy, and start the Entra ID P2 free trial. This is 90 days of P2 on its own, perfect timing for the conditional access episode. Method 4, Visual Studio Dev Essentials. Go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/dev essential and sign up for the free account. You get $25 per month in Azure credit indefinitely. Use it to keep a small Intune tenant running long term. Any one of these will keep you going. I recommend doing method 2, Azure free trial. When your 30 days approach, it solves both extension and the Entra IDP2 requirement in one step. Let us do the verification together. Pull up your Intune admin center and go through the checklist. 1. Can you access intune.microsoft.com and see home dashboard? If yes, tick it. 2. Go to tenant admin, then tenant status. Does MDM authority say Microsoft Intune? Tick. 3. Did you explore all 8 sections in the left navigation? Tick. 4. Click users. Do you see test user 1, test user 2, and test user 3 in the list? Tick. 5. Click on test user 1. Does it show Microsoft Intune Plan 1 under license? Tick. 6. Click devices. It shows 0 device enrolled. This is correct. Tick. 7. Have you noted your tenant domain name and admin password in safe place? Please do this now. If not, tick. If all 7 are ticked, congratulations. You have a working Microsoft Intune environment. You built it from scratch for free. This is genuinely something to be proud of. Most IT professionals have never done this. Let me recap what we have covered today. The Microsoft 365 developer program is not available for some users, and the Intune 30-day free trial at aka.ms/Intune trial is the correct path for those viewers. It works completely fine. We sign up, verified MDM authority, explored the entire admin center, created 3 test users, assigned license, and covered 4 ways to extend the trial beyond 30 days. Your Intune Plan 1 trial covers all labs from episode 3 to episode 16. When we reach episode 17 for conditional access, I will walk you through adding the free Azure trial to get Enter IDP2. In episode 3, which you should watch right now, link is in the description, we enroll your first Windows 11 device into the Intune environment. I will show you 3 different enrollment methods live in the admin center step by step. If this episode helped you, particularly the specific guidance for the 30-day trial, please give it a like. It generally helps more IT professional to find this content. Subscribe to CSYOGI so you don't miss episode 3. Drop your question in the comment. If you had trouble with card verification or sign up, tell me exactly what you see and I will help you. I read every comment. See you in episode 3. Let us keep building.